8th standard English grammar. Students, now we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech revision. Direct, indirect speech. Simple present change becomes change, simple past. So tense first. Present continuous change into past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Simple past becomes past perfect. So present perfect and simple past the same way, past perfect only for indirect speech. Okay. So before you learn that, the kinds of sentence just we have to recall. Statement, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentence. We have 4 types of sentence. So before we change from indirect to direct and direct to indirect, we have to check that what kinds of sentence. Then we will change it. Okay. For example, first we are going to learn statement, then interrogative and imperative and exclamatory sentence. Statement level first. What is a statement? Statement, it gives a normal one information. So it called as statement we can use. For example, he said, I am fine. There is no listener, only speaker. He said, I am fine. Inverted commas, then full stop. So it is first we have to identify that what kinds of sentence, statement, then tense forms. I am fine. I am present level only. So what we have learned, if we have present level, change into past. He said, comma quotations, the conjunction here, that I am fine here. I am fine. So I am is there. What is that? Speaker, he. He. So present level, we consider as this. So past was. He was fine. This is the rule. Normal statement change into past becomes past. Okay. Continuous. He said to me, my sister is learning. My sister is learning Bharatanatyam. He said to me, said to. So there is one speaker and listener. Instead of said to, we can use told. So normally in that statement, my sister is learning present continuous. So what we have learned, present continuous becomes past continuous. This is direct speech. Okay. He said to, told. Instead of said to, we can use told. Told me that, comma quotation just we can remove. Instead of inverted comma, the conjunction that my sister, he, whose sister, he said to me. So he subject, the pronoun what we want to use here, his. He told me that his sister is learning, was learning. His sister was learning Bharatanatyam. Okay, so this is a present continuous change into past continuous. He said to me, so he pronoun change into He. Suppose female, she, her sister. So that's we know the rule. Next, present perfect level 1. She said to her, I have done my work. I have done my work. So have done. So statement. So what kinds of sentence, what kind of tense they have given. First what kind of sentence, then what kind of tense. So this is present perfect. So what we have learned, present perfect becomes past perfect. The same another one, tense. Simple past becomes past perfect. So present perfect and simple past for indirect speech, past perfect only. So okay, how will you change? From direct to indirect speech, she said to, told her that. So statement for conjunction, what we have learned, that I have done my work. So I have done my work. So what is the pronoun here? I, she. Okay. She told her that I have done my work. What is the speaker here? She. What is that? Pronoun? She. She. Present perfect change into past perfect. She had done my work. Pronoun, her work. Her work. So present perfect change into past perfect. Had done. Told, that is said to. That is for speaker and listener. So that is common rule. Instead of said to, we can use told. Okay. So from direct to indirect, from indirect to direct also we can change. So how will you change from indirect to direct? She told her that she had done her work. She had done her work. So we learned past perfect, simple past and present perfect also. So here we can use answer simple past also. I did my work. Otherwise I have done my work. Because what is the rule? Present perfect and simple past for indirect speech, past perfect only the rule. Okay. Next, normal simple past now. She said, I wrote a story. She said that she wrote a past and simple past becomes past perfect. She had written a story. So this is a normal present perfect and simple past, same way of indirect speech. So that's why I have given the examples. Okay, I hope you all understood for statement level. So next class we will continue interrogative level and imperative exclamative sentence. Thank you.